How to contact WillTrade customer support. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are trying to solve a problem with your WillTrade account, then you can easily contact customer support, which is actually pretty simple. First of all, launch open WillTrade app or website and log into your account first. Once you're inside the homepage of the login in, go ahead and click on the headphone icon at the top right corner from the home screen. This will take you to Customer Support tab. In the Customer Support tab, select between the beginner or the live agent option at the top. And now you can go ahead and choose if you'd like to connect to a human agent in order to solve your issue, or if you want to know how to start, or if you're doing trading for the first time. Just make your selection that matches your issue, and then you'll be able to contact with the customer support team. Now, if you want to talk to a human agent, select the human agent option and they'll be assisting you shortly. Then you can go ahead and write down any issue you are facing, any errors occurring on your account. Just go ahead and write down and talk to the customer service representative about the issue. So from there, you can contact the customer support of WillTrade. And that's how you do it. Just follow the steps and write down your message or your issue, and you'll be able to receive suitable help from the support team. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.